Hi, I'm Evan Craig, and me and my dad are going on a hike, and we're going to show you guys a little bit of some spots. This is just the beginning of the hike. We've been on this trail before, but we got really lost. So this is the big tree and the beginning of the hike that you go on to. There's a map right there, if you can see it, and we're just going to start the hike, okay? Alright, so this is the path we're going on. Last time I went on this trail with my dad, I did not remember that tree falling over there. But we're going to continue and come on. So, my dad might be planning on going to the waterfall that's here. We don't know if we're gonna, because we got to get home in time for dinner and all that stuff. But hey, we're gonna make it our thing that we're gonna try and do. Alright, so we're just gonna walk around that big water pile that I didn't see, so we don't get the phone wet, and we do not have to cancel this video. Yeah. Also, this is gonna be my first video, and I really hope that at least I could get one subscriber, one like or something like that, okay? So, if you're watching this, hi. Alright, so we're back and we found this slanted tree. I don't know how it got like this, but we are very surprised about this. Hey, maybe someone can make a blanket fort out of it or something. Well, that's a big ditch. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure we actually walked down this one time, remember? And I think we got to the water. No, that was a different way. Alright, so lots of falling down trees everywhere. So, and a fork. Yay! Where are we gonna go, huh? I'm guessing we're just gonna go straight. Ow. So, yeah. So we got a pretty nice view of, we kind of got a view of a canyon down there, if you can see it. The sun is being very annoying. Well, maybe you'll be able to see it later. So, yeah. Still hiking. Still looking for the waterfall if we can find it. The past is behind us.
Mud.
Lots of fallen down trees. More fallen down trees. More. Oh, cool. Look at that fort. I'm going to stop in a little bit so you guys can see it better. That's a cool little fort that someone made. It's really cool.
Press the red button when you're done.
Okay. I know what to do, Dad. Alright, guys. So, yeah. Check back in with you in a little bit. Look what we found! Waterfall. Yay, we're gonna go see the waterfall, hopefully. Yay! As you can probably tell, I was being really dumb. And, oh.
Looks like that tree just got uprooted.
Huh. Weird.
Underneath it.
Dad.
Huh. Cool.
Moles? This is weird. And then a mole comes and attack me. Yeah, that'd be weird. What's that white thing? Yeah, I'm guessing a mole or something lives under there.
Turn it off while we walk the hill.
Okay. See you in a little bit. We found it! Yay! So right there is the waterfall, and last time we came here, we found this sign, and we got lost because we didn't even know what that meant or what it said, and we came from that way, so, and we just kept on going off the trail, so we didn't know where to go. Anyway, we found the waterfall! It was leaking more of the water last time I saw it. There it is. The most amazing waterfall I've ever seen. Probably because it's the only one I've seen. Yeah, it's the only one I've seen. Right, I'm gonna get you guys a closer look up when we get closer, okay? Here we are. Bye. Really close to the waterfall. I'm starting to wonder if beavers live here, cause that. Anyway, last time I'm pretty sure there was a dock or something around here. Don't you think that? No? No? Oh, okay. Well, anyway, if you guys noticed before, we were on the blue trail because there was a blue tree with like a blue paintball on it. Now we're on the green trail. Hopefully we can remember, unlike last time, that where we went. So check back in with you guys in a little bit. Yay, we made it! In the comment section, say hashtag we made it to the waterfall. Please, if you want to. Bye. See you in a little bit. So we found the waterfall. Yay! We found a bunch of logs that were weirdly stacked and a bunch of other weird things. But we had a lot of fun. Hopefully you can subscribe and maybe I'll make a new video. Bye.